So now we're making the fried chicken with the ready-made powder. Wow, spicy wing. Normally we put in the wings, but today we make in the chicken thigh. Do you put anything else?
I put a lot of chili.
Lots of chili. I can smell it.
Yeah.
I can smell it. Oh my god.
Ton of chili. You know the dried chili you had, very spicy. So what I did,
Pow?
No, the dried chili I put it in the water, in hot water, so it soaked.
Oh.
So it won't burn that much. The spiciness.
I see. Should I put the oil in there? Make it more oil, okay?
Yeah, we can put some. Should we put some peanut?
So now we're gonna add the sesame oil to give a little bit of moist for the chicken. Wow! Look, yum yum. So is this one that what we use today? So, we'll see how it's go.
From MSG.
So what do you put your salt? Garlic powder, onion powder, and maybe oil, more oil?
Yeah, okay.
No, yeah.
You can put so separate.
So add a little bit of oil. That's it. A little bit of oil to make it moist. Because we're gonna fry or we're gonna grill? Fry.
Of course.
So now we're gonna mix them well. Yum. So we keep it marinated probably half an hour.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna cook it later.
Yeah, I'll put it in the microwave.
Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ